behind the scenes of Shelly.
Don't do it.
These are her crutches. This is Shelly's foot.
Because we love our customers, we love our clients. Do I look like I had surgery? Look like I'm in pain?
Yes.
Do I look like I need some hydrocodone?
Yes. And it's all the same, so we can kind of stop right here for the
Yeah.
For us to roll this out.
Oh,
We don't have enough length in the house.
Like,
I wonder how they got the. No, I'm being serious. You don't have to. What are you talking about?
I don't want them to piece of toy sorting.
No, they got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. My name is Shelly. We had a special request today from one of our customers. She is a returning customer. She is having a Christmas party today. So hi everybody at the Christmas party.
Hey guys.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. This is a surprise for all of you guys there. She got for you, I believe her name is Yvette. So this is all your custom apparel merch from the strongest transfers in the world. Pizza Planet, and it's also a bowling alley. So if you look here, it's like bowling.
Pizza.
Bowling pins. I love it. That is a super cool design, super cool transfers. I love this color. So we just want to thank you guys so much for your amazing order. Thank you for just being a return customer. It just really shows us that you love your product, and we love you guys, and have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we will get these shipped to you today.
Right? And they ordered a lot too. Look.
And yeah. Well, they love it. They love it.
They ordered a lot. Like a lot. It's a big roll.
You must have a lot of customers at the bowling alley.
Oh, yeah.
Wherever in California, we definitely want to stop by because we love Pizza Planet by itself is super cool.
We're at in California. Justin is over there.
It starts with a D. I'll have to look it up, but
Not San Diego?
no, it's not. See how my husband tries to tell me, you're making the Christmas party laugh, okay? No, it's not San Diego. But again, don't forget, I don't want to go too much into a promotional for their Christmas party video.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So it's kind of late, and I remember you guys wanted this request, and I'm like, of course we have to film it for them. So if I'm looking a little crazy, as you all know, I had surgery, but we're going to get you that video, girl, for your Christmas party. I know y'all worked hard all year, and I can't send us a video or a picture of everybody in their merch, because I know you mentioned they're going to have like crew necks and stuff. So I want to see everybody in this. So that'll be cool. You can tag us if you post it online. Flash Custom Transfers, or you can send it to us privately, either or, but we appreciate you.
I'm about to take these thumbnails.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Don't move, I can't take the thumbnail.
Hush.
Yeah,
Feliz Navidad.
there we go.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. All right, bye.
Peace, guys. Be safe.